How to cut a print then cut sticker with Silhouette Studio. Step 1. If you have a sticker design to use, click the open icon in Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Locate the file you want to use, select it and click OK. Step 3. Once the design loads into the media, click the lock icon in the quick access toolbar. Step 4. Resize the design to fit into the media. Step 5. Open the page setup panel, go to the registration marks tab and turn it on. Step 6. Reposition the design and ensure that it's within the red border. Step 7. Go back to the first tab, click the machine drop-down and select Portrait. Step 8. The cutting mat will be set to Auto Portrait automatically. Step 9. Set the media size and exit the page setup panel. Step 10. Double-check and make sure that the design is in place, then go to the Send panel. Step 11. Click the Material drop-down, search Stickers and select the sticker paper you'll be using. Step 12. Make sure that Cut is selected. Step 13. Go to the top toolbar and click the printer icon. Step 14. Double-check the print preview screen and click Print. Step 15. In the print pop-up window, make sure that your printer is selected. Step 16. Check the other settings and click Print. Step 17. Once the printer prints the sticker sheet, go back to Silhouette Studio and click the machine icon on the bottom of the screen. Step 18. Select your portrait machine and wait for it to connect. Step 19. Grab the printed sticker sheet and place it on the cutting mat. Step 20. Load the mat into the machine and click Send in the Silhouette Studio software. Step 21. Wait for it to cut. Step 22. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip it over, and peel it off the sticker sheet. Step 23. Trim off the excess material. Step 24. Your sticker is ready to use. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.